Hi, welcome to Absentify. My name is Josephine, and in today's video I show you how you can delete your workspace. Maybe you signed up accidentally and created a new workspace and only learned after that your team already has an Absentify workspace. And since you only can use your email once, you probably have to delete your accidentally created workspace. This is your use case, or what we don't hope, you are not happy with Absentify and want to cancel Absentify, or whatever, you use another software, etc. So the steps to delete your workspace are quite easy. First, you have to be an administrator. In this case, I am one, Lynn. I navigate to settings, and then I scroll down to delete. Click on delete. Click delete company account. And now a pin is sent to my email. So let's check my emails. In the inbox, here we have our deletion pin. We copy the pin, go back to our Absentify workspace, enter the pin, click confirm deletion. I present it here with what happened, why do we see you go. Maybe you don't find it useful right now, whatever it is. Click next. And you will be back, hopefully. Maybe you want to leave us anything. Click confirm deletion, and this is how your workspace got deleted.